Now, sentencing proceedings for Tshegofatso Pule murder mastermind Ntuthuko Shoba resumed today. He was found guilty of ordering the hit on his then 18-month pregnant girlfriend, and she was found hanging from a tree 2 years ago. ENC's Lindelo Masekane is watching this case for us and joins us now from the High Court in Johannesburg. Good morning to you, Slee. What's to be expected today?
Well, good morning, Dumelo. We are outside the South Gauteng High Court, where we are expecting sentencing proceedings to begin in the Ntuthuko Shoba matter. We know, of course, that in March he was found guilty of orchestrating the hit on his pregnant girlfriend, that is Tshegofatso Pule. And for about 4 weeks of that trial, we heard from various experts as well as testimony that was brought forward by the state in order to implicate and show the court that Ntuthuko Shoba did have a hand and in fact was the one who had sent Muzgaise Malepane, the killer, to actually go and shoot and kill Tshegofatso Pule. And this was all in an effort to try and hide her pregnancy from his wife. Now, during those 4 weeks of that testimony, what the state proved was the fact that there was constant communication between Muzgaise Malepane, the killer, as well as Shoba, right up until the very day in which Malepane picked up Tshegofatso Pule from Shoba's complex and proceeded to shoot her in a veld and then hang her body in Rudderput. And so what the state then showed was that there was a disputed number in which Shoba was denying belonged to him, and this particular number was the one that was in constant communication with Malepane. He also used a different number to actually communicate with Tshegofatso, but the state then showed with those cell phone records as well as car tracker records that there were a number of occasions in which Malepane and Shoba met as well as communicated. And of course, Malepane being the state's key witness, the state really had to show that his testimony could be relied upon in terms of implicating Ntuthuko Shoba in this murder.
With that being said, Slee, have we heard from the family with regards to, this is Tshegofatso Pule's family I'm referring to, just with regards to the expectations from today?
Yeah, we had an opportunity, Dumelo, to speak to Tshegofatso Pule's uncle, Dumisang Katake, yesterday, just to get a sense from the family as to what they're expecting, what they're hoping to hear in terms of the sentencing. And, Mr. Katake was quite adamant in saying that anything less than a life imprisonment would be an injustice in this particular matter. We know that this day is 2 years in the making. Tshegofatso Pule was last seen alive on the 4th of June 2020, 8 months pregnant. You can imagine at that point there had been a lot of preparation already by her family in terms of expecting her delivery of this child. Everyone was excited, and for the family, they believe that they didn't just lose one life with the death of Tshegofatso Pule, but they also lost the opportunity to get to know her baby as well. So for them, they want to see nothing less than life imprisonment. And some anti-GBV NGOs that we've also spoken to, Dumelo, have also indicated that in fact what would be just would be a double life sentence for Ntuthuko Shoba in this particular matter.
All right, Slee, we definitely leave it there for this morning, but I'm sure we'll be getting more developments as they do occur from you throughout the day. And thank you for this update, colleagues. Lindelo Masekane for us. Outside in court, we're sentencing for Ntuthuko Shoba expected today.